You are a full moon there before you came here. Purnamadam. But here also you are full. But you have to capture that fullness again. Purnamadam, Purnamidam. I am also a soul here. Additional appendages are there, body, mind. But I am a soul. The additional appendages are the body, mind. And the mind always wants more than what it needs. That is the nature of the mind. Mind always indulges in something more than what it needs. That is called as mind. And we have come here into the body-mind. So it is the nature of the mind to give you dukkha. It is the nature of the mind to have Trushna. It is the nature of the Trushna to give you dukkha. Mind, Trushna, dukkha. You are born into a body-mind. So you are born into that Avighya. You are born into that Trushna. You are born into that dukkha. Until you become first, I became a collector. I became a prime minister, still I am crying. I got 100 wives, still I am crying. Okay. Why? In spite of 100 wives, I am crying. The body is satisfied. The mind is also more or less satisfied, but the soul is never satisfied until it has understanding that I am what I am. When the soul understands, hey guy, I am the soul, I am the Atma. When you realize that I am the Atma, then that is the second enlightenment. You have become enlightened. When you started seeking it, that is the first enlightenment. That is great enlightenment. Seeking enlightenment is great enlightenment, my dear friends. Remember that point. कोई भी बंदा अपने पास आ जाएगा, स्वामी जी आई वांट टू लर्न मेडिटेशन, तो मेरे आंखों से आंसू आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि दिस fellow has become enlightened. You see, what a great thing it is. Is it an ordinary thing? No, Baba. So the moment you decide that I want enlightenment, Swamiji, something is there in you, I want that something in me also.